Hi guys, thanks for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Holy Stone Hs175, so make sure to stick around and watch to the end. Okay guys, so this is the carrying case that you get with the drone. It has everything inside of here. It has 2 batteries, the controller, and the drone to go along with chargers for all of them. So anyways, let's get in here. Okay, so here we have the drone, and as you can see, it's foldable like this. And this is what the drone looks like. We also have I think we have two batteries, the controller, and then some chargers. This one right here is for the batteries, and it comes with 2 of these, and then this one right here is for the controller. Also, we cannot forget about the instruction manual that does come with this drone. I highly recommend that you read it. Ages are 14 plus. Also, if you're a beginner, there is some propeller guards. Personally, I'm not going to put the propeller guards on. I think it looks better without them on. And then we have some extra blades right here. If you look at this drone, it is eerily similar to the DJI Mavic Mini right here. And as you can see, they definitely took some notes from DJI. The camera quality for this is 2K as opposed to 2.7K with the Mini. But the big difference that you're probably going to be asking yourself is, wow, this is 2K, this is 2.7K, but this one's only $150 as opposed to $400. This one records 2K to an SD card, and it's not the same at all as the DJI. The DJI has a much better camera, has a much more clear and crisp image. So if you're looking for the better drone, it's obviously the DJI, but this one right here is a budget-focused drone, and for $150, it's not bad camera. Okay, so let's talk about charging this thing. This controller is pretty good. It's got a nice grip to it, and something that really impresses me about this controller is when you fold it out, it's kind of hard to fold out, but once you fold it out, this adapter right here can hold an iPhone XR, so that is pretty sweet. Now this controller also doesn't rely on any batteries, which I like a lot. It charges using this charger. You'll plug it into the wall right here. You would need an adapter, of course, and once you plug it in, this lights up red. That's how you know it's charging. And then once the light turns off, it's finished. Now for the battery. You get 2 batteries and 2 chargers. So you would plug this in, and once you plug this into the wall, you will see a red light and a flashing green light. Once you know it's fully charged, it will be solid red and solid green. One more thing I did forget to mention is that the micro SD card goes right in the bottom here. And on the controller right here, these are the buttons to position your camera. And that's for photo and video right there. Alright guys, so we're outside now, and we're in the downtown area of where I live, and we're going to take this around and get some video, see what the camera quality is like. Okay, so those were the photos and videos from today's flight. something to note is that this drone is very weather dependent. So if it's like a windy day, the videos are not going to look as good because the drone's going to be shaky, and this guy doesn't have a gimbal. So the photos and videos, they can either end up blurry or just shaky videos. Now, there's something to note too. There was an error that popped up, and I don't know what it was, but I'll show you guys what it is. Alright guys, so as you can see in the top left corner, there's that red bar, and it should be green, but it's a red bar, and it says not point hover. So I don't know what that is, but once that bar turned red, all of the GPS features like return to home and follow me, you could not do them. So this is something that I could not figure out how to do. Okay guys, so that concludes my video. I would recommend this drone if you are a beginner. It's not super expensive, and it's pretty easy to fly. Now, if you want to buy something that is a much higher quality product, I would lean more towards something like the Mavic Mini, because that is an awesome drone. But if you're just getting into the hobby, this one is pretty cool, and I would definitely check it out. If I missed anything, I will link it in the description below. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.